Okay, so hello YouTube, we have problems with these GPUs. These front fans always tend to fail. These back ones, well, they don't. So I'll be showing you quick, I would say, tutorial on how to repair them. As it turns out, these fans are actually not that bad, but the grease just, well, stops to work after some time. So what I will be doing, unscrewing, there are 4 screws in here, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So let's unscrew this. 4 screws. Now I will be changing the grease on both fans. This one is actually working, but I will be changing on both since I am opening it. And the reason I'm doing this is because it would take way more time for me to send this thing to a warranty than to repair it. So there are a couple of connectors you need to disconnect. And after you disconnect them, you're ready to go. Okay. Now there are 3 screws in here which you need to remove, so I will be doing that. Okay, there is one. There is 2. And this is the 3rd one. And we need to disconnect this fan. This is the connector. So after we have disconnected this fan, well, basically you need to use some force.
Use the force, not the fork.
And basically, as you can see, this is rather dirty. Now, this entire part should get out, but unfortunately it doesn't, because, well, this sucks. Now I will be using some WD-40 just to clean this thing. And we've actually tested this before, so it's perfect. It is working. So, as you can see, this is already, well, rather clean. Well, this one is actually rather dirty, so I'll be using some more of WD-40. Now, as you can see, it is clean at the moment, and I will be cleaning this thing as well, because these tend to fail only because of, well, dust and whatnot, what comes inside, what goes inside, whatever. So I'll be applying some grease. Now I did actually found these methods to be very useful. So, some grease later. What you should do is just put this thing back and, well, push it inside, and there you have it. You have a fan that's actually spinning rather neatly, and the fan is working again, so the procedure is basically the same for all the fans that you have inside. So I did fix both of the fans, and just to show you how good this thing actually is. And both of them were not moving, basically. So okay, so just to show you, this is the way that fan were supposed to get out, but unfortunately only few got out as they should, and I believe that this is due to this plastic which is holding the fan together. So yeah, but either way, it's the same procedure. And we actually have some good company. This is Bunny.